So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqastech. So guys, in this video I will show you Apple release new iOS 16.3 beta 2 for iPhone and as well as iPad. So in this video I will show you what's new in iOS 16.3 beta 2 and how to get if update not showing on your iPhone or as well as iPad. So without wasting any time, let's start video. Firstly, move to the check update. You can see appears on screen, tap on setting. Okay, tap on general, tap on software update. You can see appears on screen iOS 16.3 developer beta 2 update showing here in my iPhone. Right now it's about 455.1 MB for iPhone 8. So what's new this beta version of iOS 16.3? Bug fixed and improvement, and this beta version of iOS should only be developed on devices detected for iOS 16.3 beta software development. So how you can get that if update not showing yet in your iPhone? Just close that and you need to open here beta.apple.com. okay, firstly you need to sign in, and after sign in you install profile from here. After installation you can see appears on screen, tap on setting, tap on general. Okay, scroll down and you can see appears on screen VPN and device management showing here. Just tap on that. Now you can see appears on screen showing here iOS 16 beta software profile. Just tap on that. You can see appears on screen, tap on install, enter phone passcode if it's asked. Okay, now you can see appears on screen install again, tap on install. You can see appears on screen is asking for restart required. I'm already done that, so please restart your iPhone to apply changes. I'm selecting right now, not now. Tap on done. That's it. By doing that you can easily see the new iOS 16.3 beta 2 update for your iPhone and as well as iPad. So friends, after watching this video I hope you will all know how to get iOS 16.3 beta 2 for your iPhone and what's new in iOS 16.3 beta 2 update. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.